Hello, what's up guys? Azo here. Today is another day in Korea, Jeonju. Jeonju is known as the birthplace of bibimbap. However, I'm not going to get my bibimbap at those famous, fancy, highly recommended restaurants on the net. But I'm going to get it at the neighborhood place that is highly recommended by the locals. Here is the place. This is their menu.
비빔밥도 잘 먹어.
So she's saying this and this 맛있어요. Trying to tell her that I would like to order both, and if I can't finish, I can bring back.
둘 다?
예.
둘 다 먹을 수 있어?
예. 괜찮아요?
그쵸?
감사합니다.
아.
김밥.
김치김밥.
김치 김밥. 이거 뭐예요?
계란.
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 응.
This is 계란.
깻잎.
깻잎. This one I know.
단무지.
단무지.
단무.
단무.
바지락.
카치라.
바지락.
Oh, those are clams.
바지락. 이걸로 손수제비야. 손수제.
Oh, this is the dough. So in Singapore, we call this myeongguy. I never thought I would be eating myeongguy in Korea though.
싱가포르에 이거 없지?
Yeah, Singapore. Yeah.
있어?
Yeah. myeongguy.
파 넣고.
She's giving such a generous servings here.
끝. 콩나물, 무채, 오이.
This is the cucumber.
이게 접채, 당근,
Carrot.
도라지, 돈나물, 포기 버섯,
And the sauce.
계란.
And the egg. Wow. Okay. Look at this. None of the clams are closed. That means the clams are all very fresh. I'm going to try this first because this is hot. It's so chewy. Plus the freshness of the clams together, and it's really clean. Now let's try the bibimbap. Let me mix first. 비빔밥 진짜 맛있어요.
그래?
This is so good. I've never eaten such a nice bibimbap in Singapore before. Yeah?
한국 된장국 먹어봐. 한국 된장국. 한국 맛. 아니. 그냥 먹으면서 떠먹어봐.
오케이. 이거 뭐예요?
콩으로 삶아서 발효시켜가지고 발효.
잠깐만요. 바빠고. 하나, 둘, 셋.
삶아서 발효를 시켜.
된장을
담아.
This is fermented bean with veggie, I think.
유일하게 우리 한국만 있는 거야.
한국만.
외국 같은 데 없잖아.
없잖아.
없어.
Only here?
우리 한국만이 있는 거야.
Okay, I think she's saying this only have in Korea.
이건 어때? 어때? 맛이 어때?
맛있어요. 맛있어요. 다 맛있어요.
먹어.
I see the making process. She just put rice and just veggies. It's nothing that special to be honest. But when it mixed together, it's just so nice. Wow. Last bite. Finish. I don't think I can finish this. But I'm going to bring back. So many people are coming buy her gimbap. Should I buy one also? But I'm so full. So much food, so little stomach. Oh my goodness, she get. I was still thinking whether I should buy a gimbap. Then she give me one. 감사합니다. Wow, I'm so blessed. Because I saw so many people buy this gimbap and I was thinking whether I should buy one. But she gave me one for free. She's so nice. 감사합니다.
Thank you.
Bye bye. 감사합니다.
고마워.
고마워.
잘 먹고 잘 여행 잘하고 가.
에.
또 와, 한국.
Bye-bye.
네, 한국에 또 와.
안녕히 계세요. Guys, if you ever come to Jeonju, go check that place out. It's very near the tourist areas, Hanok Village. This place is just around 15 minutes walk from the tourist attraction area, and it's so much cheaper, and you can get really great food. I feel really touched, not just because she gave me kimbap, but just she has such a nice and kind vibe. Very welcoming, very loving, especially because this reminds me of my grandmother. Because of COVID, it's been 2 years since I saw her. I just really wish the borders can reopen soon so that I can go and visit her. If you like my content, please give me a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and see you next time. Bye!